Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of luxury on wheels. You know, the kind of cars that make you feel like you just won the lottery, even if you're just borrowing them from your rich uncle. Just kidding. Or am I? We're talking about the top 5 cars with the most luxurious interiors that will make you feel like royalty. These aren't just cars. They're sanctuaries on 4 wheels, designed to transport you not just physically but mentally to a state of pure bliss. Get ready to have some serious car envy because, trust me, after this video you'll be trading in your Honda Civic for a one-way ticket to Luxuryville. Alright, let's kick things off with the undefeated heavyweight champion of luxury cars, the Rolls-Royce Phantom. This is the car that whispers, "I've arrived," even when it's parked in your driveway. First up, we gotta talk about the Starlight headliner. Who needs to look at the actual night sky when you can have a constellation of tiny LEDs twinkling above you? It's like having your own personal planetarium, and yes, you can even customize the constellations. Talk about reaching for the stars. The wood veneers in this car are out of this world. Hand-selected, perfectly book-matched pieces of wood that would make a master craftsman weep. Every single stitch, every piece of leather, every button is crafted with a level of precision that borders on the obsessive. This is a car that's been assembled by hand, by artisans who probably have PhDs in luxury car manufacturing. And let's not forget about those iconic suicide doors. They just ooze sophistication and class. The silence inside the cabin is almost deafening. The seats? They're like sitting on a cloud that's been hand-stitched by angels. The Rolls-Royce Phantom is more than just a car, it's a statement. It's a symbol of success, of refinement, of having made it so big that you need a car this luxurious to contain your awesomeness. Alright, so maybe you love the idea of the Rolls-Royce Phantom, but you need something a little more practical? Don't worry, I got you. Let's talk about the Bentley Bentayga. This is the luxury SUV that can handle anything you throw at it. Whether it's a black tie event or a blizzard in Aspen. It's like a Range Rover decided to get a makeover from a team of Italian fashion designers. First things first, let's talk about the leather. Oh, the leather. It's like being hugged by 1,000 baby cows. In the best way possible, of course. Hand-stitched, buttery soft, and available in more colors than you can shake a stick at. And if you thought the leather was impressive, wait till you see the customization options. We're talking about an almost endless array of wood veneers, paint colors, and interior trim pieces. You can literally design your Bentayga to match your favorite pair of shoes. But the Bentayga isn't just about looking good, it's also about high-end tech features. We're talking about a premium Naim audio system that will make you think you're in the front row of a concert hall, a rear-seat entertainment system that will keep your passengers entertained for hours on end, and enough driver assistance features to make you feel like you're driving a spaceship. And let's not forget about that signature Bentley grille. It's like the automotive equivalent of a power suit. You see that grille coming down the road, you know you're dealing with someone who means business, luxurious, comfortable business. But what really sets the Bentayga apart from other luxury SUVs is its versatility. It's equally at home navigating city streets as it is conquering off-road trails. It's like having your cake and eating it too, if your cake was a $200,000 SUV. So whether you're looking for a luxurious family hauler, a stylish weekend getaway car, or just a really nice place to spend some time in traffic, the Bentley Bentayga is definitely worth a look. Just be prepared to write a big fat check. Alright, let's move on to a car that's all about being chauffeured around in style, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class. This is the car for CEOs, dignitaries, and anyone who wants to feel like they're riding in a private jet on 4 wheels. First up, we gotta talk about those reclining rear seats. I mean, these aren't just seats, they're like first-class airline seats on steroids. They recline, they have massage functions, they even have heated and cooled cup holders. You could literally live in the back of this car. And speaking of living in the back of the car, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class also has an optional executive rear seat package that turns the back seat into a mobile office. We're talking about fold-out tables, wireless charging pads, and even a champagne cooler. Just try not to spill your champagne on the plush carpets. But the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class isn't just about the back seat. The front seat is pretty darn nice too. You've got a massive infotainment screen, a head-up display, and enough leather and wood trim to make you feel like you're sitting in a luxury yacht. And let's not forget about the ambient lighting. With 64 different colors to choose from, you can create any mood you want inside the car. Feeling romantic? Go with a soft pink. Feeling powerful? Red is your color. Feeling like a disco ball? Well, they've got a setting for that too. But what truly sets the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class apart is its combination of luxury and technology. This is a car that's both incredibly comfortable and incredibly advanced. It's like having your own personal chauffeur and a team of engineers at your beck and call. So, if you're looking for the ultimate in luxury and sophistication, the Mercedes-Maybach S-Class is definitely worth a look. Just be prepared to pay a king's ransom for the privilege. Alright, let's switch gears a bit and talk about a car that's all about futuristic luxury, the Tesla Model S Plaid. This is the car for tech enthusiasts, early adopters, and anyone who wants to experience the future of driving today. First things first, let's address the elephant in the room, that yoke steering wheel. Yes, you read that right, a yoke. It's like something out of a spaceship, and it takes some getting used to. But once you do, it's actually pretty intuitive and fun to use. Plus, it looks super cool. But the Tesla Model S Plaid isn't just about gimmicks. This car is seriously fast. With over 1,000 horsepower, it can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 2 seconds. That's faster than most supercars. So if you're looking for a car that can keep up with your need for speed, the Model S Plaid has got you covered. But speed isn't everything. The Model S Plaid is also incredibly luxurious. The interior is minimalist and modern with a massive touchscreen that controls everything from the climate control to the navigation system. And because it's electric, it's also incredibly quiet. You can literally hear a pin drop, if you could find a pin in this sleek and minimalist cabin. And speaking of minimalist, the Tesla Model S Plaid doesn't have all those fussy buttons and knobs you find in other luxury cars. It's all about clean lines, high-quality materials, and that giant touchscreen that looks like it was ripped straight out of a spaceship. But what really sets the Tesla Model S Plaid apart is its technology. This car is loaded with cutting-edge features like autopilot, which allows the car to drive itself on the highway, and bioweapon defense mode, which sounds like something out of a science fiction movie, but is actually a real thing that filters the air inside the car to protect you from harmful pollutants. So, if you're looking for a car that's both luxurious and technologically advanced, the Tesla Model S Plaid is definitely worth a look. Just be prepared to deal with range anxiety and the occasional software glitch. It's the future, baby. Alright, let's wrap things up with a car that's all about rugged luxury, the Range Rover S Autobiography. This is the car for adventurers, explorers, and anyone who wants a car that can handle anything from a black tie event to a weekend camping trip in the mountains. First things first, let's talk about those executive class rear seats. These seats are like something out of a private jet. They recline, they have massage functions, they even have heated and cooled cup holders. You could literally live in the back of this car. And you might want to, considering how capable it is off-road. And speaking of off-roading, the Range Rover S Autobiography is no slouch when it comes to capability. With its advanced all-wheel drive system and adjustable air suspension, this car can tackle even the toughest terrain. So, whether you're navigating a muddy trail or just a snow-covered driveway, the Range Rover S Autobiography has got you covered. But the Range Rover S Autobiography isn't just about off-road prowess. It's also incredibly luxurious. The interior is swathed in leather and wood trim, and the panoramic sunroof lets in plenty of natural light. It's like a mobile greenhouse, if your greenhouse had a supercharged V8 engine. And let's not forget about the little details, like the heated and cooled seats, the Meridian sound system, and the heads-up display. These are the little things that make the Range Rover S Autobiography such a joy to drive, or be driven in. But what truly sets the Range Rover S Autobiography apart is its combination of luxury, capability, and versatility. This is a car that can do it all. It's equally at home on a muddy trail as it is on a red carpet. It's the ultimate expression of go anywhere, do anything luxury. So, if you're looking for a car that's as capable as it is luxurious, the Range Rover S Autobiography is definitely worth a look. Just be prepared to pay a premium for the privilege of owning the king of the road and off-road. And there you have it, folks. The top 5 cars with the most luxurious interiors. From the Starlight headliner of the Rolls-Royce Phantom to the minimalist design of the Tesla Model S Plaid, these cars are the epitome of automotive opulence. Which one would you choose to ride in style? Let us know in the comments below. Personally, I'm torn between the Phantom and the Bentayga. Okay, who am I kidding? I'd take any of them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome content. See you in the next video.